today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create increments in a spreadsheet, starting with any number you choose. This is a simple yet powerful technique that can save you time and effort, especially when you're dealing with large sets of data. To get started, open your spreadsheet and navigate to the cell where you intend to kick off your increments. Let's say, for instance, you'd like to start with the number 10. Click on the cell where you want this initial number to appear and simply type the number 10. This sets the foundation for your incremental sequence. Now you want to create your increment logic. In the cell directly below your starting number, you'll need to input a formula. Begin by typing the equals sign, which signals the start of your formula. Next, you'll need to click on the cell containing your initial number. This will most likely be the cell with the number 10 you just entered. After selecting that cell, type +1. What you've now done is instructed the spreadsheet to take the number 10 and add 1 to it, giving you a result of 11. Here's where the magic extends itself further. Once you've implemented this simple formula to create an increment, your spreadsheet can take over, generating subsequent increments automatically. You'll notice a small square dot at the bottom right corner of the cell you've just worked with. This is your key to expanding your formula. With your cursor, click on this small square icon and drag it downward across the column where you want your sequence to be extended. As you drag this square downward over the cells, watch as the spreadsheet continues your increment pattern automatically, adding 1 to the previous value in each new row. This dragging action copies the same formula to the cells you just highlighted. It's a smart feature of spreadsheets that tracks how you've structured your increment and applies it uniformly across the selected range. What's happening under the hood is that each cell automatically updates to add 1 to the value of the cell above it, seamlessly creating a progression of numbers based on your original input. And that's it. You've effectively created an incrementing sequence within your spreadsheet. This technique can be a real game changer, particularly when populating series like dates, invoice numbers, or any data set where consistency and pattern are essential. It's efficient, accurate, and easy to implement, making your data management more intuitive and less time-consuming. I hope you find this technique as useful as I do in organizing and simplifying repetitive data tasks.